Hi guys, it's Taylor Christina and welcome back to my tiny little channel. In today's video, we are giving my boys' shared bedroom a complete makeover. As you can see, it is a complete disaster. There will be tons of cleaning, organizing, and decorating, so if you're interested, stay tuned. Let's jump right in. I am starting out by removing any miscellaneous items, trash, and I am putting toys away. You'll then see that I am removing the mattresses and clearing out underneath of their beds. Now that the floor is clear, I'm going to break down the boys' beds. These beds have been very good to us. They're actually bunk beds that are able to sit side by side like this. So with all of the moving and putting the beds together and taking them apart and putting them together and taking them apart, they have definitely seen better days. The wood is starting to split in many different areas and it was just becoming dangerous. While we're getting into these very satisfying vacuum lines, I want to tell you a little bit about my vision for their room. Before I moved everything out of their room, you guys saw it was always cluttered. There really wasn't a whole lot of floor space. So I am going to be reconfiguring their room to maximize the floor space. Xavier will be inheriting my old bed. So if you're familiar with my videos, you know what my bed looks like. It's an iron bed, so I don't have to worry about wood or anything like that. For them, that was kind of scary. And I purchased a matching one, but in a twin size for Ethan. So after I am done breaking down the beds, I am going to be putting my old bed in here with my old mattress and putting Ethan's new bed together, and he is going to be inheriting Xavier's old mattress because the mattress I purchased for him was actually very inexpensive and not very good quality.
I've been through heartaches, I've been to heaven, I've done my best and my worst, learned my lessons. No matter how hard my life would treat me, I'd always get right back up, never worry, 'cause I got a million reasons to keep holding on. Yeah, I got all that it takes to win and overcome. What I got is just a feeling, but it's oh so strong. It goes on and on, on and on. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing.
We'll see later on in the video that I end up playing with where I have the bookshelf and the desk. So stay tuned to see where they end up. How the room is looking so far. This whole process actually took 2 days. So next we're going to be moving my old mattress and my old bed into the room.
There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every
I am dying rewatching this footage because I did not even know he had reacted like that when he saw the room empty. He saw me coming with the bed. That's why he stopped in his tracks and ran out of the room like that.
I can feel it, I feel it, yeah. I believe it, yeah. There's something going on inside of me. I feel it growing stronger every beat. I never just believe in what I see, 'cause I can feel the energy. I can feel it, I feel it. Oh, 'cause I can feel the energy. Wake up, baby, all the stars are shining bright.
Now we are going to build Ethan's new bed. As you can see, the configuration is completely different. We changed the main wall to be the wall with the window. And just a quick tip, if you're going to be reconfiguring a room, measure the wall, because I wanted to get two beds that are not the same size on the same wall and still have room in between the beds. And when I measured the wall with the window, it ended up being the perfect dimension. So definitely measure before you order any furniture, before you move anything. It's very helpful.
Let's stay up all night.
Officially at the end of day one of their room makeover. I am loving how it's looking so far. The room is starting to take shape. My vision is coming to life, and more importantly, there's so much more floor space. Today's goal is going to be clearing off surfaces, getting the room tidy, and also fine-tuning the placement of a couple of these furniture pieces.
I got what you need. Under the night sky, I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me lies now. I always get mine. Don't play with me. Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you handle it? Right? Do you want it? Don't put your love on hold. I can't take it anymore. Oh, put your love on me now. Trust me and you will see. Oh, honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need. Give me your love, no holding back, no. We could take it to the stars where you wanna go. The things that we can do don't need to prove you.
Now that the bookshelf is positioned in its new home, we are going to take some time to wipe it down, get it tidy and organized.
I want your eyes all on me. Don't tell me no lies. I always get mine. Don't play with me. So do you want it? Do you want it? Can you feel me? Can you feel me now? Can you handle it?
I've actually had the second nightstand since we've moved in here. It was only $10 from IKEA, but I just didn't have anywhere to put it. Now that the room is reconfigured and we have a little more floor space, it has a perfect little spot next to the bookshelf.
I got what you want. I got what you need. So don't put your love on hold. Can't feel it, I can't take it anymore. Don't put your love on me. Trust me and you will see. Honey, I got what you want. Honey, I got what you need.
Now it's time to make their beds. This is very difficult to do with a 3-year-old around, you mamas know. So I put this relaxing music so nobody is triggered by it. I actually love the navy blue bedding that they have been using. My mom actually got those for them a couple of years ago, and we're not getting rid of it. We're just going to fold them and put them at the ends of their bed, but we did order some new navy blue quilts for them off of Amazon. I'll try to link them below for you guys. Xavier's navy blue quilt did not fit his bed anymore, and I wanted the colors to match, obviously, so I went ahead and ordered Ethan one too. Once I am done vacuuming their floor, I'm going to put their new rug down. I got it from Ross for $14.99. I'm still trying to decide if it's the right size. I feel like it's a little small, but it's working for now. A little reminder of what their room looked like before. Outside of the fact that it really needed to be cleaned, there really wasn't too much floor space in here. Loving how the boys' room turned out. It's super open and there's tons of floor space for Ethan to play on. They love being in here. It feels so functional and organized, and hopefully it's easier to keep clean. I hope you guys found some inspiration, found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel, hitting the like button and the post notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.